How to delete a TikTok account connected to Google account. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your TikTok application from your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, first of all, let's try and delete our TikTok account first. Tap on three bar icon on your top right and tap on Settings and Privacy. Under Account, tap on the first option of Account. Then tap on Deactivate or Delete Account. Here tap on Delete Account Permanently and give any reason that you would like and tap on to continue. Now once you do so, it will ask you for the 4-digit code that has been SMS to you. All you have to do is paste in the code and tap on Delete Account. Once done, your TikTok account will be deleted. Now go ahead and open up your Settings app. From here, scroll below and go on to Google. Here tap on to All Services. Scroll below and tap on to Settings for Google Apps. Tap on Connected Apps and search for TikTok. Once you find it, tap Open it. Then tap on Delete all connections that you have with TikTok at the bottom. And tap on Confirm. And this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.